Hey road trippers, we're about to do the Windmill Nature Trail at Seminole Canyon State Park. So if you don't have time to do the guided tour, you could check this one out. It's right by the visitor center. It's only a third of a mile. So the trail to Fate Bell Shelter continues down there and wraps around in that direction. But we are taking the Windmill Trail. There's a windmill somewhere. Alright, you can see down there, there's an old windmill that was over the water hole. There's a spring right here. And there's the water source right there. Pretty cool. What'd you find? Snakes in there?
Grass.
Oh, you're looking for snakes?
No, she's looking for grass.
What are you looking for?
Grass.
There's no way that there's not a snake under there.
There's gotta be something under there, you're right. It's gonna go whoosh. These are always painful, Gray. You wanna touch it?
No. Like, I stepped on one that was like, kind of like that.
Yeah.
Like, remember that like,
Yes.
that like oval one?
Was that the one in Colorado?
I think.
I
Like
think-
that oval one, and like it had like, it was like very spiky, like a lot of spikes on it.
That was Ridgeway State Park. It's a loud windmill. Can you hear it from all the way over here?
I know you can. It's so loud.
I can't hear you over the windmill. Nice easy trail, rocky in some areas. Pretty cool. That dumps out onto the road. It actually is another Chicago windmill out here.
It's the same company.
So it looks like the Air Motor Company controlled a lot of the windmill building back in the day. Saw the same windmills over in Kickapoo Cavern State Park. All right, we're back at the truck. Let's get some thoughts on the windmill hike.
I give it a B.
Why?
It was just a little stroll. Nothing spectacular about it.
I'd give it a B too. There was like a lot of parts where the plants got really close, and you know how they're all really spiky. And then also, really could just walk down the street a little bit to go see the thing. But if you're coming off the tour, then yeah, it might be better.
Good. And Grayson?
S because it was quick.
That's it? Nice. Grayson gave a reason. I give it a B too. Quick hike. If you're by the visitor center, it's nice. Good signage for the nature trail, and cool representation of the area. All right, road trippers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.